Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to show you how to solve function as fast as possible. Functions, they always come in mathematics paper 2 examination at grade 12 level. Okay, so given that f of x is equals to 2x plus 7 over 8 and g of x is equals to 3x minus 6 over 6. Find the g of 6. Okay, so we start with A. We find g of 6. Now we have been given two functions, the f of x and the g of x. So the one given is g of x. Therefore, we have to use g of x is equals to 3x plus 6 over 6. Now, where there is x, we have to replace with 6. So g of 6 is equals to 3 times 6 plus 6 over 6. So g of 6 is equals to 3 times 6, which is 18, plus 6 over 6. You add 18 plus 6, which is giving you 24. So I have 24 over 6. Therefore, g of 6 is equals to 4. G of 6 is equals to 4. Okay, so that's how we do with the first one. Okay, we go to the second one, but before we do that, if it's your first time to watch my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to be receiving more videos when I upload. Okay, we go to B. B, we have f inverse of x. So we are using the f function in this case. So we have been told that f of x is equals to 2x plus 7 over 8. Now we want the f inverse of x. So to find the inverse of x, the inverse function, we have to substitute the f function with the y. So f of x is equals to y. So we have y is equals to 2x plus 7 over 8. Then we have to make x the subject of the formula. You raise this one as a fraction, then you cross multiply. 1 times the 2x, we have 2x. 1 times 7, we have 7, which is equals to y times 8, we have 80y. We still want to make x the subject of the formula, so we have to chase this number to go that side, because we want to remain with the x alone. So we have 2x is equals to 8y. Whenever a number crosses the equal sign, the sign becomes opposite. So here this is positive 7. When it goes the other side, becomes negative 7. We still want to remain with x, so we have to divide by 2, even there by 2. This one goes. X is equals to 8y minus 7 over 2. Then from there, we have to swap this. So this becomes y is equals to 8. We just swap the letters. Y is equals to 8x minus 7 over 2. And this is the answer. So therefore, f inverse of x is equals to 8x minus 7 over 2. Excuse me. So that is how you find the inverse function. Okay, we go to the last one. C. We got the last one, C. We find the value of x if f of x is equals to g of x. So we write down the f function, which is 2x plus 7 over 8, and is equals to g, the g function, which is 3x minus 6 over 6. We have been told that these two are equal, so we are making an equation, as you can see. So for you to find this equation, we have to cross multiply. Okay, so when you cross multiply, we're going to have 6 open bracket. This 6 is multiplied with this number, these numbers here, and the 8 is multiplied with those numbers that side. So 2x plus 7 is equals to 8 multiplied by 3x minus 6. Okay, so we start multiplying. 6 times 2x, we're getting 12x, and 6 times 7 must be 42. It means 6 times 7, okay, it's 42. So plus 42, which is equals to 8 times 3x, giving us 24x, then 8 times 6, giving us 48. So negative 48. Then here you have to group like terms. We have 12x, which is a like term of 24x. So when 24x goes there, becomes negative 24x, which is equals to negative 48. The one which is there. And when 42 goes there, also becomes negative 42. So if you subtract 12x minus 24x, we're getting negative 12x, which is equals to, then you add 48 plus 42. Okay, 48 plus 42. Okay, so I'm adding this because they have the same signs. Negative, negative, you have to add, then you maintain the sign. So when you see two numbers which have the same signs, which is whether negative or positive, you always have to add and maintain the sign. So I'm going to get 90, negative 90, divide by negative 12, divide by negative 12. So 90 divided by negative 12 is giving us 7.5. Negative 12. Okay, so it's giving us 7.5. So x is equals to negative, negative is positive. Negative, negative is positive. So x is equals to 7.5. So this is how you solve functions. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.